Hello everyone! Good morning mga suki! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at higit sa lahat sa mga bumili ng Zoila and Sofia merchandise sa Shopee at Lazada. Maraming salamat po. Today we're going to discuss about DEOPROCE Natural Perfect Solution Cleansing Foam Gold Edition. Ano nga bang product na to at anong mga benefits sa skin pag gumamit kayo? Okay. Ang DEOPROCE Natural Perfect Solution Cleansing Foam Gold Edition ay isa pong Korean skincare product, meaning maganda ang quality dahil gawa sa Korea. This is suitable for all skin types, super refreshing, super ganda pag ginamit sa skin. What are the main ingredients of DEOPROCE Natural Perfect Solution Cleansing Foam Gold Edition? Actually, this special cleanser contains 8 ingredients that has powerful effect in the skin. First is gold. Some studies claim that gold-infused products can reverse skin's age. It also boosts collagen production. So first ingredient pa lang, madaming benefits na ang marireceive ng skin mo. Next would be Panax ginseng root. This is more effective in reducing wrinkles and enhance whitening effect. Third is silkworm cocoon. Maraming nagsasabi, this is best or perfect ingredients for beauty products kasi this is good for skin elasticity and wrinkle reduction. Fourth would be glabra root. This glabra root contains compound na may anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property. And because of this, rich ito ng antioxidant and nagla-lighten up yung skin mo, and the same time, meron ditong anti-aging property. Fifth would be Morus alba. Morus alba is actually an antioxidant. Pine-prevent niya yung discoloration ng skin or yung mga uneven skin tone mo, kinokorekt niya. Sixth ingredient is Syndium officinale. Actually, it's a ginger root that has antibacterial and anti-aging property. Seventh ingredients is frutescence leaf. This is rich in antioxidant and stimulates collagen production. Finally, the eighth ingredient is Platycodon grandiflorum root. This has anti-inflammatory and anti-allergy property. Yung 8 powerful ingredients inside the package or inside the foam cleanser will make you feel clean, fresh, and relaxed once na ginamit mo yung product. Okay, pag-usapan naman po natin ang packaging. Nakalagay po sa gold box ang cleanser at talagang maganda ang packaging at labels nito. 170 grams ang laman. Uulitin ko po, 170 grams ang laman at naka-indicate po ito sa box at saka sa tube. Sealed po ang item, kaya nagagaranti namin na safe ang item during transport. Sa mga nagtatanong po kung ano ang texture ng cream, ito po ay beige to yellowish cream. At may mga bits po ito ng gold or granule ng gold. Scent naman po, mild but very refreshing. How to use the product. So, i-discuss po natin kung paano step by step ito gamitin. First step is to wash your face with water. Make sure po na basa ang face pag ginamit nyo ang product. Second step, put generous amount of foam cleanser in your hand. Make sure you have enough amount to cover the whole face. Step 3, create bubbles. Put few drops of water para magkaroon ng lather doon sa foam cleanser. And then once done, proceed to step 4, apply bubbles into your face. And then gently massage your face in circular motion using your fingertips. Starts with T-zone. Don't ever rub your face. And then step 6, rinse face with water. Siguro mga 10 times para mawala lahat yung mga bubbles. It would be better to complete the whole process within 2 minutes para ma-prevent po ang pagdadry ng skin at magkaroon tayo ng fresh looking face. Let's go to frequently asked questions. Karaniwang tanong ng customer. Is it safe? Yes, it's FDA approved. Safe ang product, high quality. Is it authentic? Yes, 100% authentic. Please check reviews and feedback for additional reference. Why so cheap? We purchase in bulk po to get better rates and lower lang ang markup due to strong competition. What is the difference from other foam cleanser? Suitable for all skin types, has 8 powerful ingredients, affordable but superb in quality. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. If you have questions, message below lang po and we will answer your questions as soon as possible. Maraming salamat po.